Happy Halloween there, champions. We had our Halloween party last night. Hopefully everybody had a good time. Did a lot of stuff. I'm just going to do a walkthrough with the little light in the fairy trail. It's just a walkthrough, just the decorations and stuff for the kids. Little fairy houses, little mushrooms. Not scary or anything like that. And it's not a real long trail, just got some of my grandkids and my kids made some of the decorations, so it was cool for them, and it's something for us to do, have some family time, and then putting it all out in the trail to decorate. It's having some fun. Had about, I don't know, 170 people or so here last night. And I'll do another walkthrough when it gets dark. And I did adjust the lights. Needed to put some to kind of highlight the decorations and that, because you can't see them all. And then with the wind and being outside, everything else kind of moves stuff around. But I'll do one walkthrough with the lights like you got it here, and then I'll do another one when it gets darker at my grandson's artwork for one of the fairy homes. And there's a lot to miss if you don't keep your eye out with stuff, because not everything is lit up. But it had a glass tabletop that the table kind of was destroyed, so I just used the glass to put the fairies on, and that's the fairy trail.